Good afternoon and welcome to the Q&A session 6 from the chapter of electromagnetic waves. The topic is the measurement of magnetic field inside a capacitor. And based on this topic, I have one question which is written here on this board. So the question here is, magnetic field at a point between the plates of a capacitor at a perpendicular distance r from the axis of the capacitor plate of radius r, having the displacement current ID is. So we have been given here 4 options and we have to find the correct one. So in order to solve this question, I will be using the Ampere Maxwell equation. Now Ampere Maxwell equation is one of the 4 equations which comprise the Maxwell equations. So the Ampere Maxwell equation is given by the line integral of the magnetic field is equal to mu naught in bracket IC plus ID, where IC is the conduction current and ID is the displacement current, and this is also equal to mu naught IC plus epsilon naught d phi E upon dt. Here epsilon naught into d phi E upon dt is the magnitude of the displacement current. Here d phi upon dt is the rate of change of the electric flux. So in this question, the conduction current will be equal to 0 because in the capacitor, the conduction current will only flow in the conducting wires and the capacitor plate during the charging and the discharging. So here IC will be equal to 0. So this equation, this one, can further be written as, this is the line integral of the magnetic field, this is equal to mu naught in bracket IC plus ID, so IC will be equal to 0, and now here DL will be equal to, here the radius of the capacitor plate is given as R, so this equation will be equal to B into 2 pi R, and this is equal to mu naught into, here IC is equal to 0, so I will be only writing here ID, where ID is what? It is the displacement current which is already given in this question. So from here, the value of the magnetic field at a point between the plates of the capacitor at a perpendicular distance r from the axis of the capacitor plate of radius r will be equal to mu naught ID divided by 2 pi r. So the correct option here will be the B option. This is that the correct option is the second option, that is the B option. So in the next session now, I will be discussing about the properties of electromagnetic wave. That is in the session number 7. We will be discussing about the properties of the electromagnetic wave. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.